students. I am Savita Alfred. Welcomes you e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Vidya. Students, in my previous video, I have taught you in Standard 6 English Chapter 3 the starting point and its question answer. Today I am going to teach you Standard 6 English Grammar Chapter 2 Parts of a Sentence, Subject and Predicate. Friends, as you know, when we speak or write, we use many different kinds of sentence. And you know what is sentence? The sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Sentence is made up of two parts. Number one, subject, and number two, predicate. Then what is subject? Subject is the part of the sentence. The part of the sentence which performs the action of the verb. Or about which something is stated is called the subject. For example, Ravi likes oranges. In this sentence, who is the doer of action? Doer means the person who does the action. जो action करता है, that person is called doer. So doer of action is Ravi. So in this sentence, action is done by Ravi. So Ravi is subject. In second sentence, Ravi and Tara go for swimming. Here Ravi and Tara are doer of action, so they are subject. Number one, Ravi is subject, and number two, Ravi and Tara are subject. So Ravi and Tara are subject here. So students, in this sentence, Ravi is performing the action of the verb. So Ravi is subject. Number two, Ravi and Tara are performing the action of the verb. So they are the subject. Ravi and Tara both are subject. Sometimes subject can be a word or a group of words. Like in this sentence, Ravi is a subject. One word subject is here, and in second sentence, Ravi and Tara both are subject. So here the subject is more than one word. So it is a group of words. We can recognize subject by asking question who or what. Like this, in this sentence, Ravi likes oranges. Who likes oranges? Ravi. So Ravi is a subject. In this sentence number 2, Ravi and Tara go for swimming. So who go for swimming? Ravi and Tara go for swimming. So in this sentence, Ravi and Tara are subject. So students, the part of sentence which performs the action of the verb is called subject. Now, what is predicate? The part of the sentence that tells something about the subject. The part of the sentence which tells something about the subject is called the predicate. Example, this car runs very smoothly. In this sentence is what runs very smoothly. So answer is this car runs very smoothly. The subject is this car. And which part is telling something about the subject? Runs very smoothly. Runs very smoothly is telling something about the subject. So runs very smoothly is a predicate. In next sentence, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Who sat on a wall? Humpty Dumpty. So Humpty Dumpty is a subject, and rest of the part is telling something about the subject. So it is predicate. Humpty Dumpty, subject, and rest part is telling about subject, is called predicate. So sat on a wall is predicate. Our next topic is subject in imperative sentences. So students, in imperative sentences, subject is always you. It is understood as implied. The subject may not be stated, it is understood as implied. Like, for example, cross the road carefully. In this sentence, it means you should cross the road carefully. You should cross the road carefully. Number 2, take care. It means in this sentence, you must take care of yourself. Number 3, please shut the door. It means in this sentence, you shut the door. Now subject in interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, the word order is slightly changed, and so the subject is not placed first in order of words. So in order to find the subject, it would be helpful to write these sentences as statement. First, we have to change these sentences in statement. For example, have they reached the station? This is an interrogative sentence. So to find the subject, we have to change it in statement. So we will change it. They have reached the station. In this sentence, we have changed it as statement. So who have reached the station? So they have reached the station. So they is subject. Topic is subject in exclamatory sentence. Find the subject in exclamatory sentence. We have to change it in statement. So the example is, how hard she worked. How hard she worked. So we will change it in statement. She worked how hard. So who worked hard? So answer will be she. She worked hard. The subject is she. In this sentence, the subject is she. Okay students, today I have taught you chapter 2, definition of subject and predicate with examples. Hope you have understood it. Write down these definitions in your English grammar copy and learn it. Thank you.